Keeping track of your customers is one of the most important things you can do in your business. See what information is available on the customer record. To edit customers, from the Edit menu, select Customers, or click on the Customers button on the toolbar. A list of all customers is presented in a grid, sortable either by the customer number, name, or phone, with the ability of filtering this list to those that meet desired criteria, or sort by any data field. From the column editor, select only active customers if desired. Also from here, each user can change which columns are displayed on this grid. Highlight a customer from the list and either double-click the row or click the Edit button. There are many different tabs with information to maintain or view. The Customer tab has general data such as the address and the main contact information. Each customer has a unique code of up to 6 characters when the customer record was created, which can be configured to adhere to a specific coding structure defined in the company profile to make locating customers by code easier. The Accounting tab displays data pertinent to transaction entry within Receivables, and also the place to save credit card numbers on file and customizable optional fields specific to your company. The Statistics tab shows summary transaction amounts for the month, year, and last year, and also various activity and the dates when they last occurred. Statistics are only editable if enabled from the company profile. The Notes Alerts tab is a place where comments, either general or marked with the time and Adagio user ID, to organize for searching or reporting. Also, customer alerts can be configured to pop up a message whenever the customer is edited or used for various transaction entry. The Statement tab has options for sending customer statements of account, including the recipient, how they want to receive statements, and whether unpaid invoice PDFs are also included. The Invoicing tab contains data relative to integration with other Adagio invoicing programs, with more general information at the top and settings for a specific invoicing program at the bottom. If enabled in the company profile, a Recurring Charges is available to configure periodic invoicing generated within Receivables, with predetermined ledger accounts and amounts. And the Contacts Ship To tab lists records either for additional customer staff information or ship to addresses, which ship tos contain not only address and contact information, but also invoicing field values, a credit card, and alerts specially related to the shipping location. The Transactions tab lists all customer documents, organized by the application in which the records are stored. For Receivables, the grid lists either current or historical transactions, or a combination of both. This list can be sorted either by the document date or number, and either in ascending or descending direction. For customers with a high volume of transactions, you can locate a particular invoice by simply typing the number into the Find Document field and pressing the Tab key. Other transaction types may also be located by selecting the type code from the list. And if you double-click a transaction or click the Applied button, you can drill down to see more information, including the ledger activity the transaction generated, and also any applied payments or adjustments. For other invoicing integrated programs, you can list specified transactions of selected types. And because invoices and credit notes are retrieved into Receivables, when you open the Receivables list, that document will automatically be highlighted. And from any of the transaction lists, you can export the contents of a grid to an Excel spreadsheet, and when integrated with Adagio ePrint, a PDF of the document can be directly viewed from here if one exists. Because customer notes, alerts, recurring charges, and ship-to addresses are stored in separate data files compared to the rest of the customer tabs, this information can only be added to existing customers, and not customers in the process of being created. If this is a brand new customer, and you try to enter such information, a message will appear to ask you to save the customer data thus far, and allow you to continue on. If you want to print a customer statement of account or a transaction list report, you can do this directly from within editing the customer. Click the Print button to open the Customer List and Statistics report with various selectable information sections for this customer only. Or click the Statement button to open the Print Statement Forms screen for printing or emailing a list of outstanding transactions just for this customer. If Adagio Time and Billing is integrated, the Contacts tab also has an additional grid that lists active dockets set up in Time and Billing. If you want to see this customer information without the ability to change anything, this can be done either by clicking the View button on the Edit Customer List screen, or from the Inquiries menu, select Customers. Viewing a customer does not allow changing any values, though you can click an email or website link. Previous and Next buttons allow scrolling through a list of customers. And with a specific security group setting, you can allow the Adagio user to have access to editing or adding customer notes from the Edit Notes button, but not allow changing anything else. Manage and organize your customer records to optimize use and track important information. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these links on screen or from the video description. Thanks for watching.